Hello my dear students of class 9th. Welcome to maths class. As we are doing chapter number 3 coordinate geometry, and we have learned about how we will plot the coordinates in the Cartesian plane. Now today we have some questions here. We will do these questions and plot the graph, and after that we will solve the question. The first question we have: join the points A 4 minus 4, B 4 4, C minus 4 4 and D minus 4 minus 4 on xy plane to get the square ABCD. Also find the perimeter and area of square ABCD. Okay student, we need to plot all these 4 points: A, point B, point C and point D. And after that, this is the figure we will get, that is a square. We need to find out the perimeter of the square and the area of the square. Okay students, now in this figure we can see that this is the y-axis and this is the x-axis. Now we need to put all 4 points here A, B, C, D. Now this is positive axis, the first quadrant, so we have here plus and plus, here the second quadrant, as we already studied in our previous video, minus, plus, third, that is minus, and fourth we have plus and minus. The first point, the A point, we have 4 minus 4. 4 on the x-axis, 4 minus 4. 4 is plus and then minus 4. So, it is in the fourth quadrant. This is the first quadrant, this is the second quadrant, this is the third and this is the fourth quadrant. So, 4 minus 4 we need to plot. So, 4 on x-axis 4 and minus 4 we have here. Minus 4. So, this is the A point. 4 and minus 4. Okay. B point we have 4 4 4 4, both positive in the first quadrant, 4 here and 4 we have here. This is the B point, that is 4 and 4. C point we have minus 4 4 minus 4 on the x-axis, minus 4 and 4 at the positive direction, in the positive direction, minus 4 and 4 we have. This is the C point. After that, D point we have minus 4 minus 4 minus 4 and minus 4 we have here. This is the D point, minus 4 and minus 4. Okay, we plot 4 point here, A, B, C and D. So this is the square we have here. Just join points. Now the figure is a square we have. Now we need to find out the perimeter and the area of this square. For finding the perimeter and area of the square, first of all we have to find the length of this any one side of this square. Okay students, now this is the length from this point to this point. We can see that from here to here we move 4, and from here to this side on the minus direction we are moving again 4. It is a minus 4, but the distance is 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit and 4 unit we are moving. So 4 unit in the left side and 4 unit in the right side. Total distance we moved 8. That means the length of the square we have 8 unit. Okay, the length of the square we have 8 unit. So we need to find perimeter. Perimeter of square we have. What is the perimeter of a square? That is 4 into side, and our side is 8 unit. So 4 multiplied by 8, that is 32 unit perimeter we have. Now we find out area. Area of the square is side into side, and we have the side of 8. So 8 multiplied by 8, that is 64 unit square. We are using unit here. Unit can be centimeter, millimeter, meter, anything it can be. So we are using here unit square. Understood, students? Now second question we have here, that was the first question. Second question we have, 3 vertices of a rectangle are 3, 2, minus 4, 2 and minus 4, 5. Plot these points and find the coordinates of the fourth vertex. Okay, now first of all we will plot all these 3 points on the Cartesian plane. Now this is the figure of question number 2. This is y-axis and this is x-axis. The first point we have 3, 2. 3, 2. Again we know that this is the first quadrant, plus, plus, minus, plus, minus, minus and plus, minus. First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant we have here. So 3, 2. 3, 2. In the first quadrant, now we will put numbers here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 and minus 5. Now first point is 3, 2. 3 on the x-axis, that is 3 and 2. 1, 2. The first point we have here, 3 and 2. Okay, we can say this point A. The second point we have minus 4, 2, minus, minus, plus. Second quadrant, minus 4, 2. First of all, we can write the symbol sign here, because I know you all know about that, but for our convenient we will write the signs also. Okay, minus 4, 2. Now minus 4, minus and plus. In the second quadrant, minus 4. This is minus 4 and minus 2. Minus 4 and 2. Minus 4 and 2. This point we can say B. Minus 4 and 2. Okay. Now third point, minus 4, 5. Minus 4 and 5 we have. Minus 4 and 5. This one. Minus 4 and 5. In the positive direction we have minus 4 and 5. Now we need to find out the fourth quadrant here. Fourth quadrant, fourth vertex. We need to find out the fourth vertex here. Join these vertex like this. Like this. Okay. Now this is a rectangle. Already in the question we have, this is the rectangle and opposite side of the rectangles should be equal. So this side will be equal to this side. So, and this side will be equal to this side. Now we will make dot here also and here also. Yes. Here we have the fourth point. Now we will read the coordinates of this point. This point we have. On the x-axis it's moving 1, 2 and 3. 3. On the x-axis moving 3 and on the y-axis it's moving 5. So the coordinate of the fourth vertex is 3, 5. So this is the fourth point and the coordinate of the fourth vertex we have 3, 5 in the first quadrant, and this is the point D. Okay students, so some questions are there. Students, do practice these questions and make the graph also.